There's two of the doves resting in the tree after filling their bellies. There was squirrels running and hiding because the birds came out. And there's birds just fluttering everywhere, waiting to see what I put out because the dogs are out. Oh, I love nature. I just love nature. It's so beautiful. Sounds of the birds. They're just flying everywhere. There's red birds. There's some red birds over there. There's a squirrel hiding back behind the limb over there. He was up on the fence. And when I shook the door handles, that way he'd know I was coming. With the dogs, he ran and hid. But it's just so beautiful. Even with the sounds of the cars. You can still hear the birds. It's just lovely. It's just lovely. They're just flying everywhere. Just lovely. Just lovely.